Hi there and thank you for clicking to watch this video. We are Daily Cash Team. And our number one goal is to help people to find freedom. Time freedom and financial independence. We have a great little one-time pay, postcard mailing program to help America become debt-free. Postcard marketing from home is very simple, enjoyable, and profitable. Almost anybody can put a sticky label and a 35-cent postage stamp on a postcard and drop it in the mailbox. It's not real hard at all to build this business. Anybody can afford to mail these cheap little postcards from home. We can even show you how to receive books of free stamps, to lower your cost of mailing. After you join this program, get in touch with your sponsor, to find out about the Free Stamps Club. Lots of people got a wake-up call in 2020. 2020 has been super crazy and a lot of people don't know what to do. Everything in the economy is totally different than it was 6 months ago. How are you going to survive? How are you going to buy groceries, pay your bills? How are you going to take care of your family? This is what everybody is wondering today. So prepare yourself. Take action and get control. Learn how to make money for yourself, working for yourself. Now, people realize the false security that they had in a job, working for someone else, as an employee. Take control over your time and your own income. Get set free. Start today. This is very low cost to start. Wouldn't it be nice to have freedom and control in your life? Why should you have to depend on your boss to dictate everything in your life? Many people are searching the internet with their cell phone, looking online so they can start to make money from home. People need money and want money. They're not getting the paychecks that they are used to receiving every week from their day job. So many people have been laid off of their job and there's a lot of fear and panic out there in the world today. People are realizing how simple it is to mail little postcards from home and get paid daily company checks. Mailbox money. We like to call it mailbox cash. This can be a very fun little business for you. Some of our team members even get their children involved mailing the postcards and labeling them. Teach your children when they are young. Teach them how to earn income from home with a small business. Sometimes, all it takes is a little extra money to achieve a totally debt-free life. So please let us help you out and send a little of that money your way. This program pays out 100%. There are no monthly fees. You pay only one time. No monthly payments. There are no minimum requirements to earn money. Just a one-time participation purchase. You can start with $10, $20, $35. Or you can get the extras, and pay $45 to get 90 free leads, and 90 free postcards included inside your business startup kit. Don't forget, there are no monthly fees to be a member of this fun, easy home business opportunity. You can and will receive $10 payments, $20 payments, or $35 payments every time. Of course, there is no guarantees that you will get paid any money. It all depends on how much energy and effort you put into your own business. Just like any other home business takes effort, energy, and time to build a successful and profitable business. The income potential for this program is huge. There is no such thing as get rich quick. It all takes time, effort, and at least a little bit of money to grow any business. You decide which level you wish to participate in. $10, $20, or $35. If you want, you may get the 90 extra leads and 90 postcards, if you pay the $45 one time. This is a program like no other programs out there in the marketplace. This program is not saturated in the market. Not a lot of people have heard about this program as of right now. This is not MLM. This is not multi-level marketing. There is no computer required. No internet access necessary. Having a website and using the internet is totally optional. The small postcard does all of the explaining, selling, and telling for you. What can be easier? Daily Cash Team has lots of other marketing tools to help you succeed. We have the training, success tips, and strategies to help you save money, get free postage stamps, and make more money as you promote this business opportunity. Free coaching and mentoring is available for those that are teachable. If you like the website, it is just a one-time low-cost fee for us to build you a website like this one. Some people are already on the internet and they want a website to use. But most of the members just use the little postcards. There is no personal selling required. No chasing people. You don't have to talk to people. That's one of the biggest reasons why people like to mail postcards and flyers. Some people are shy. Lots of people do not want to sell to other people. Use our unique little postcards and see the difference. There are no sponsoring quotas. Unlimited income potential. You can see a sample picture of the postcard on the website. So make sure you click and go to the next step so you can see the postcard. You can earn hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, or even tens of thousands. Checks are mailed from the company every week. Once you join, get in touch with your sponsor. Join under the person who shared this website and video with you. We will show you proof of one of our team members that has been paid over $11,000 since June of 2020. Real hardcore proof. They receive about 2 checks per week from the company. But make sure you get back to the person on this website or the person that sent you to this video. Be sure to sign up under them and get your questions answered from them. This is a unique postcard system to help you sponsor new members easily. This is a true team effort. Postcard system. Those people that you sponsor will also leverage payments for you to help your business and your income grow. I guarantee that you have never seen a system like this one. If you can mail our little, low-cost postcards, then this can work for you. Get started today. Make a copy of the flyer or postcard and get started today. Download the PDF flyer document right now. Print it out. Return the postcard flyer with your money. And just choose which level you want to participate at. Get started now. If you are not ready right now, you can simply return the postcard flyer with $3 plus 3 first-class stamps. For company information only. You do not have to be rich to be financially independent and debt-free. This postcard marketing program could change your life. We can't provide you with the cash and the roadmap to achieve a debt-free life. Pay with cash or money order, payable to the company name. So what are you waiting for? Download and print your copy of the flyer. Choose your participation level. And send in your payment of $10, $20, $35. Or $45. If you would like to live a debt-free life, we may be able to help you. Join us today and get your share of the money. Click the link below in the video description. If you are on the website, click the button below and go to the next step. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family members on social media. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please click the like button and leave a comment below the video. This audio and video was created by Daily Cash Team and Michael Jensen. God bless you and have a great day. Jesus is the Lord and He is coming very, very soon. Come to Christ. Get saved, get born again. There's not much time left. Bye-bye for now. Click the button below. Click the link in the YouTube video description to go to the next step. Thank you.